We living in the same house. I'm paying daycare, paying rent, car notes, everything, and she still got me on child support. And then she quit her job. Every time she get a job, she quit.
Given this case to be the truth.
Yes.
And Your Honor, this appears to be a fully contested case. So at this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Bridget Mask.
And it appears that we are here in reference to confirmation of arrears in this case. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And have you been able to review the pay record for this case?
Yes, I have.
At this time, Your Honor, the state will request to share my screen to reflect the pay record.
Very well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just one moment. The state has calculated that as of without any credits as of March 26, 2025, that the father owed $94,682.76. Is that correct?
Without credits, that is correct.
All right. And may I stop sharing my screen at this time, Your Honor?
Very well.
And as it relates to the child support credits, are you requesting to give child support credits for the time frame of 2004 through 2006 with a total of $18,856.80?
Yes,
And do you understand at that time that your child support order was $240 per month?
I do.
And after credits have been given, the state has calculated a child support arrears judgment in the amount of $75,825.96. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes,
All right, thank you, ma'am. Just one moment. And do you understand that there are no medical support or dental support arrears to confirm at this time?
yes.
And as it relates to the credit that you're forgiven from 2004 through 2006, is there any specific reason why you're requesting to forgive that time frame?
Okay, so in a letter that I filed with the court, I did explain that Mr. Oates would allege that there are that he's provided support, and it's really because it was inconsistent. 2004 to 2006, I think is fairly generous. But his support, it was intermittent. It was very much that he had a substance abuse problem, and we had a very toxic marriage in the situation, and there was domestic violence involved and things like that. So I'm willing to forgive at least those 2 years at best.
Thank you, ma'am. Just one moment. And were you and the father living together?
Very off and on. I'd probably say it wasn't consistent. So if you're looking for 12 months here and a full year, a year and a half, you won't get that. Because again, it was the substance abuse, it was the intermittently working under the table, things like that. That's all I can really forgive at this point. I wish I could say it's been a full year. It was a full year that he was around, when really and truly it was not. It was just maybe every 3 months, every 2 months. It's just really hard to calculate, to be quite honest.
Just a moment. And as it relates to the payment of those arrears, what are you requesting that the father pays per month towards those arrears to pay that amount off?
Well, I'll just put it out there. What I was requesting initially when we were in the room,
Ma'am,
yeah,
can you please address the question that was asked? What are you requesting that he would pay per month towards that?
okay. Well, if you'd like to know, I'm asking for $525. If not, that the $450 that he's currently paying be continued to be paid.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the state has requested, based off of the amount that, if confirmed at $75,825.90, that the father would pay that at $430 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
$450 is what I'd agree to.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. No further questions for this party. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Donnell Oates.
And Mr. Oates, were you able to view the pay record that was previously provided to the court?
Brother, I got one eye. I got one eye and one leg, so I barely can read from the small prints.
All right.
I looked at it. Well, I had my sister look at it the other day, and about the child support issues for us
Sir,
from 2000.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
The only question that was asked is, were you able to view it?
Was I able to what?
To view the pay record that was provided to the court?
No, I couldn't view it. I saw it, but I couldn't see it.
All right.
I
The state
couldn't
has
read it.
calculated, sir, that the child support arrears in this case are at $94,682.76 as of March 26, 2025. The mother is requesting to forgive a portion of that, which will to you, sir.
I'm
Would you
listening.
please
Go ahead.
repeat the question, Mr. Oates?
Say that again.
Would you please not interrupt and allow me to ask the question, sir?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you. The mother has requested to forgive a portion of that amount at $18,856.80, thus taking a judgment in the amount of $75,825.96. Are you in agreement to the calculated amount that's provided to the court today to confirm the arrears?
No,
And could you explain to the court what you're requesting that the arrears be confirmed at?
man. Be honest with you. I didn't even know it was going on. All this time that you're talking about, me and her was staying together with the kids. So, and she's still getting child support.
And Mr.
And
Oates,
I'm like, how do you pay child support when you're at home supporting them?
Mr.
Okay,
Oates,
yeah, I was out in them streets for a little while.
Mr.
You know what I'm
Oates,
saying? But hold on, but that's what.
Mr. Oates, as it relates to the arrears here in this case, did you file a modification thus requesting that the child support be stopped or that the child support be abated? And you're on mute, sir. Please unmute yourself.
I asked her to do it because we live in the same house. I'm paying daycare, paying rent, car notes, everything, and she still got me on child support. And then she quit her job and go to work. I mean, she went to work at Prudential, quit it. Every time she get a job, she quit. She said
Mr.
mine was substance abuse. She said mine was substance abuse. Which part of it was?
Mr.
You know,
Oates,
at the same time, I managed a drug treatment facility for 5 years.
Mr. Oates, again, the
Yeah.
question that was asked is, did you take any steps to stop the child support or have the child support abated or modified?
No, because I didn't even know when they got a divorce on the decree. I didn't know nothing about it. Hell, I was staying with her then. I got off work and she got off work. We sit in the living room and I'm like, she had me some divorce decree,
Okay.
and I ain't never signed nothing.
All right, thank you, sir.
The judge gave it to her on false.
All right, thank you, Mr. Oates. No further questions for this party, Your Honor. Again, the state is requesting to confirm arrears as previously provided, providing the credit as given by the mother for the 2 years, thus taking a judgment in the amount of $75,825.96 with a payment at $430 per month. Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Then child support judgment of $75,825.95, and that will be payable at $430 a month.
Just for clarification, Your Honor, that was $825.96. The 6 cent at the end, Your Honor.
96. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your
Sometimes I can't read my own writing.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you're free to go.
Thank you.